Signature placement is a universal application that gives you the versatility to create multiple color finishes. Our model would like to enhance her existing color. She has naturally curly hair and wants the ability to wear her hair curly or straight. Her hair is a natural level 4 with pre-existing highlights. The goal is not only to touch up the new growth, but also to bring balance to her overall hair color. Section the hair into 4 sections, leaving out a V parting just below the occipital bone. We use Sophistone Elite Powder, which lifts up to 9 levels and includes our built-in protection called PolyShield. 2 formulas were used at the recommended mixing ratio 1:2. Formula A is being used for the new growth area, and Formula B is for the previously lightened areas. Starting in the occipital area, leaving depth below, use a medium stitch highlight to diffuse the dark regrowth area. Leave 1/4 of an inch in between subsections. Continue working up the back of the head in a bricklay pattern. Use diagonal back sectioning, working up the sides of the head, leaving 1/4 of an inch subsection. The hairline is one of the most essential areas. The client sees this most. To achieve a brighter hairline, use fine stitching with a more compact placement. As you move away from the hairline, start to utilize medium stitching again until you complete the top. Remember to check your foils during processing to ensure you've achieved the desired lift. To help us achieve our result, we use Sophistone Purple Color Balancing Shampoo to cancel any unwanted warmth from our fresh highlights. The final step of this application is the glaze. Sophistone Demi is an ammonia-free deposit-only liquid gel color that's infused with coconut oil-based lipids and CPD technology to deliver more consistent and reliable results. Formula 1 is 3 parts level 5 natural, 1 part level 7 blue violet mixed with processing lotion. A Milbon brush is used for precise application. Sophistone Demi's liquid gel consistency makes it easy to apply using a bottle or brush. Formula 2 is Sophistone Demi Level 7 Beige, using our Milbon bottle on the midshaft area. We used a detangling brush to blend Formula 1 and 2. Formula 3, 1 part level 7 beige and 1 part level 9 beige with processing lotion is applied to the ends and processed. The recommended processing time is 3 to 20 minutes. Rinse and lightly shampoo. For optimum results, proceed with Milbon Professional Treatment. In this case, we chose Smooth Pro to address her textural concerns. Smooth Pro is our 3-step deep conditioning treatment that improves the overall quality and texture and instantly leaves the hair very silky, soft, and smooth. It takes 10 to 15 minutes at the bowl, and there are 3 customizable formulas available in fine, medium, and coarse. Our unique massage technique allows us to achieve smoother and longer lasting effects. Wave defining cream and wave enhancing mousse were used to complete this look.